Dear friends, this is C Verma, and I am here to talk about a national competition. And this competition is perhaps a unique competition in India. It is on physics experiments. So, how you can observe an experiment, how you can perform an experiment, and how you analyze an experiment. All these experimental skills are tested in this particular competition, and this competition is organized under Indian Association of Physics Teachers. It has a program called Anveshika program. And what is Anveshika? Anveshika is a center where experiment based learning of physics and teaching of physics is promoted. That culture of doing experiments, doing something new, designing experiment and then performing and then analyzing, that is being inculcated through these 26 centers. And this program is running for several years, and this year situation is very different, so we have changed the format. Earlier we used to gather students at one place and conduct all these tests, etc. Now this COVID situation has given us a new opportunity to rethink about using technology and conduct this experimental test at a bigger scale. So it has three sections. First, who can participate? Any student of physics who studies physics, class 9th onward. So school students, class 9, 10th, 11, 12, and then BSc first year, second year, third year, MSc first year, second year. So any student who is studying physics, class 9th onward, can participate. There are three stages. First stage is called a screening stage, where all these participants are shown some videos on natural phenomena or some experiments, short experiments. Each video is say 30-40 seconds, 1 minute type, and then in that experiment you observe the experiment keenly, and then there are some multiple choice questions which you have to answer. And a set of 8, 10 or 12 videos are given in the test. So that is our screening round, and from that we select some students who perform well to the next round, which we call preliminary round, prelims round, and then from there we select some for the finals, quarter final, semi-final and final. In these rounds we focus on how you can perform an experiment and then analyze your own data. So in screening we are showing an experiment in video, and then you are to observe that, analyze that and answer our questions. In prelims and semi-finals, finals, etc., there we look for judging on your skills to perform and then analyze your own data. So that is how this whole competition goes. At the end we declare national winners, first, second, third, and prizes are given to those winners by Indian Association of Physics Teachers stalwarts, the president, the secretary, and these people. Now I will be talking more about screening. We have created a website which is known as NANI, that is NANI. It is for National Anveshika Network of India, abbreviation of that. So the website is nani.hcverma.in, HCVERMA.in, nani.hcverma.in. This site is created by IIT Kanpur, and we are using their MOOCit platform. And at this site you have to go, you have to open this site. You can open it with your mobile, on your mobile or on your laptop or computer system. And since all these videos are very short and the format is such that it doesn't consume a lot of data, and therefore any reasonably good internet network will do. You don't need a really good network or large bandwidth. So you can do it with your phone, most likely that is sufficient. So you come to this website and then you register yourself there. In registration, the entire process will be given on the website. When you open this website, this site, you will find that instruction set, how to register. It is very simple. They will ask your name and email address, phone number, your school address, some such information, and then you will create a username, user ID, and password using the OTP that will be sent to your phone. Now, once you are registered, the registration opens on 1st of July. Now, once you are registered, since that time until 9th of August, which is our actual video screening test day, second Sunday of August, 9th of August. So this period, since you register until this video screening test, this will be a lot of action on this website. So the first thing is, suppose you register on the 1st of July. So it's almost 40 days, the entire July, and then August. So it's almost 40 days. The moment you register, you get an opportunity, and that is, you can ask your physics questions at this website. There is a place called forum discussion. So you can write your questions there, whatever you could not understand by reading the book, whatever you could not understand in your classroom, your teacher, you could not understand what teacher has said. You are doing some problems, and then you realize that some concept is not very clear. So all those questions you can put on that website, and your fellow participants will see that question. They can see the question, they can answer the question. So if there are so many participants, then definitely some of those will answer your question, and you will get your answer. I will also be looking at those questions, and some of the questions I will also answer. And we have a team of very good resource persons from these 26 Anveshikas and even otherwise. So that team of resource persons will also answer some of the questions, and your fellow participants will also be answering. And you can also answer questions of the others. So it is a peer study, peer-driven study. So you can you get all this opportunity on this website. That's one biggest prize to all the participants. This prize is for all the participants. Then the second thing is, we will be uploading some experimental videos there. This is like some 2-3 minutes type of experiment which are recorded, and through that every day we'll be trying to teach some physics. Okay, so you can look at the experiment and you can understand some physics, and the experiments are such that you can replicate at your own house. You can assemble the things and repeat the experiments and then learn. So your skill of assembling things and doing an experiment, that also can be enhanced through this website. So that also we will be doing very regularly and frequently during those 40 days. And third is, the final test is on 9th of August. But since this is going on for several years, we have previous year questions. Questions means videos and then the corresponding questions. So we will be putting some of these videos on this website once again, periodically. Okay, not every day, but quite frequently. So you will be having some kind of a sample paper. Right, what kind of videos are asked in this test, and what kind of questions are asked on those videos. So those sample papers you will have to prepare for. So from there also you will learn, and also you will prepare yourself for the actual test. So that is how this will go. And then based on your performance in this test, we will also provide some kind of certificates. Right, so depending on what kind of performance you have shown, we will be providing some kinds of certificates. So I invite you to come to this website, register yourself, join our team, discuss with us, interact with us, and learn physics through this. And finally, if you are selected for the next rounds, then more fun. Okay, so thank you very much.